Common faults and troubleshooting. Common fault: slipping. During use. If slipping occurs, stop using it immediately. Transfer the faulty hoist to the repair site and have it checked by professionals. During inspection, open the covers and remove the hand chain wheel. First, check if the friction plates are oiled, cracked, or severely worn. The second step is to check if the pawl rotates freely and whether it can prevent the ratchet from rotating counterclockwise. The third step is to replace the corresponding faulty parts. Common fault to chain climbing. If it fails to lift in use and the lifting chain jumping, it should be stopped immediately. Transfer the faulty hoist to the repair site and be inspected by professionals. First, check if the lifting sprocket is severely worn or objects stuck in. The second step is to check if the lifting chain is deformed. The third step is to check if the guide wheel rotates normally. Common fault 3. The hoist is stuck. The hand chain cannot be pulled. It should be stopped immediately. Transfer the faulty gourd to the repair site and be inspected by professionals. First, check if the hand chain and lifting chain are deformed. Second, remove the hand cover shell. Check if there are any objects stuck inside. The third step is to remove the outer wall panel. Check if the gears are damaged and whether there are objects causing jamming. Daily maintenance. First, regularly check the hand chain, whether the chain has excessive wear, corrosion, deformation, and external damage. Second, regularly check if all rotating parts rotate freely and fasteners shall not be loose. Third, regularly check the wear and deformation of the hook. The hook should be free from cracks, sharp edges, burrs, corrosion, warping, and twisting. Fourthly, all rotating parts should be lubricated regularly. The friction surfaces of the brake must be kept clean and free of oil stains to ensure reliable braking performance. Fifth, the lifting chain should be lubricated frequently, not stick to dirt and other debris, to avoid being brought into the lifting sprocket and deposited. 6. After use, wipe off the oil and water on the hoist and store it in a dry place. It should be properly stored when not in use, at least once a year. A person familiar with the structure of the hoist